Hello friends, this is KYouTuber and welcome to this 21st Kiluba tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the adjective tall in Kiluba. Let's get started. Tall in Kiluba means lampe. Lampe can mean tall, long or deep depending on the context. We have a few examples. We have in the first example, lampe means long, and it can vary depending on the noun. For example, in the first one, lampe become bilampe, which means bintu bilampe, which means long things or tall things. The second example, lampe changes and become bulampe. For example, in the second example, bumi bulampe means long life. The third example, lampe becomes balampe. And for example, we say bantu balampe, which means tall people. The following example is dilampe. Lampe change again, it becomes dilampe, which is, for example, dibwe dilampe, which means a tall rock. In our example, lampe becomes kilampe, which means Kintu kilampe a tall thing. And following we have kulampe. For example, kwikala kulampe means to be far. The next one, lulampe. For example, luendo lulampe means a long journey. Let's review one more time. Lampe means long, tall, depending on the context. For example, Bintu bilampe, long things. Bumi bulampe, long life. Bantu balampe, tall people. Dibwe dilampe, tall rock. Kintu kilampe, a tall thing. Kuikala kulampe, to be far. Luendo lampe, long journey. So let's continue with our next set of examples. Lampe becomes milampe. For example, michi milampe means tall trees. And then lampe become mulampe, which means, for example, muntu mulampe, a tall person. Lampe becomes malampe. For example, memo malampe means deep water. So let's review one more time. Michi milampe means tall trees. Muntu mulampe, tall people, tall person. Memo malampe, deep waters. Thanks guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and more Faiko Nikutala, and we'll see each other in the next video. Shalapo.